All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to HUC High Universal Cutz. You know how we do it, theory and practical. A lot of you have been commenting that I should make a tutorial on how to sharpen blade. Now, listen very attentively, but the only thing I need you to do for me, I'm not asking you to give me money. Make sure you share this video. Let other people benefit from it. Understand? Don't be stingy. If I'm stingy, I won't hack into your request that I should make a tutorial on this. Now, watch it closely. I want you to get this now. Very well, and don't forget to share this video. Don't be stingy. Like, comment. If you are not following this page, you are missing out. Try to be part of this family because you are going to learn anything. All those things that other barbers are hiding from you, HUC High Universal Cutz will come and expose it. So let's dive into it. I don't want to waste much of our time. Now look at this stone. Make sure you get a very good stone. Now if you buy stone, if you buy a new stone, take it to where they will sharpen the stone, because once you buy a new stone, if they did not sharpen the stone, it will not work very well. Listen very attentively. If they did not sharpen the stone, it will not work very well. Once you have gotten the stone and they have sharpened the stone, then the next thing you need to do is to get a clipper oil. You can use engine oil and kerosene, mix it together when you are sharpening the blade, or you can still use direct clipper oil. Now after that, you bring your blade. Look at it very well. Please share this video. This is the blade. Now let me tell you the difference. This big one and this small one, sometimes you don't need to sharpen this small one, this inner one, you don't need to sharpen it. Sharpen this one. And it's not everybody that knows how to sharpen this blade. You can't just carry it and be doing like this. Watch very attentively. The first thing you need to do, once you have done everything, clean your stone, you add the oil. You put a small oil on the stone. Once you put a small oil on the stone, I don't want this thing to look at it. You hold it like this. Watch. Please share this video. If you did not share this video, I won't be happy with two people. You hold it like this. Can you see how my hand is? Put this one. Put this your thumb. This your left thumb. Put it in the middle. Hold it like this. Hold it like this. You take it like this. Make sure you are counting it. You take it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you are counting it 10 or 20, make sure it's 10 or 20. Once you count it like this, front like this, you leave it like this. Don't turn your blade like this. That is why if you turn it like this, after sharpening it, one side will be sharp, the other side will not be sharp. So look at how it is. As it is like this, the next thing, since you want to turn it, you turn the stone like this. Can you see it? So that it will still have the same shape and balance. Do you understand? Then you still hold it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The same number that you did in the first place is the same number that you do when you turn it like this. Do you understand now? This is how to sharpen blade. Now after sharpening your blade, sometimes the blade will be very sharp, and if you want to dull the blade, if you want to dull the mouth, now some stone has this shape that where you can sharp the mouth. If your own did not have it, see how to dull it with this one. You hold it like this. Please share this video. Please, I beg you. I'm taking my time to make this video because I told you guys I don't want to die with what I know. Whatever I know, I'll come and share it. Understand? Freely I receive, freely I want to give. So freely you are receiving, freely you should share. Let other people benefit. Please, I'm begging you. This is HUC Universal Cutz. Look how to dull your blade. You hold it like this. Can you see it? Let me start here. Can you see it? You do it like this. Bam, bam, bam. Can you see it? If you do it finish, you turn it again. Can you see it? After you dull it finish, you still put it like this. You sharpen it again. Any number you want. After you sharpen it finish, you turn the stone like this again. The same number. Do you understand? It is very simple. A lot of people will not come and show you this. But HUC, I promise to make sure that I unleash everything that I know. Do you understand? I will never hide anything. So if you are not part of this family, you are missing a lot. Make sure you follow. go to my YouTube channel, subscribe, turn your notification bell on, so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be the first to know and be the first to watch it. The same thing with my Facebook, the same name, High Universal Court, and my TikTok, High Universal Court. Be part of HUC. You'll never regret being part of HUC family. I love you. Peace out.